Hi, I'm Rich Frawley, and I'm the Digital Forensics Specialist with ADF Solutions. Today we are going to demonstrate the installation process for Digital Evidence Investigator on a computer that has internet access. You can refer to our technical specifications for minimum requirements and supported operating systems. During the installation, a prompt will appear to install the Microsoft Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, which is required for preparing a collection key and conducting boot scans. To do this, the computer must be connected to the internet. When installing on a computer that has no internet connection, follow the Windows ADK offline installation instructions found in our user guides. First, we want to locate and execute the program installer, which is named DEI, followed by the version number. The latest installer program can be found on our webpage at www.adfsolutions.com/downloads. We want to follow the installation wizard instructions. You can click on the terms and conditions and licensing to view that, and then click on install to start the process. During the install process, if the Windows 10 ADK is not already installed, the program prompts to do so. Press the Yes button to install this. Instructions will be displayed detailing how to install the Windows ADK. Click the OK button in this window. A file named adksetup.exe will be downloaded. Then you need to locate this file and execute that. We want to accept the default installation and press Next. You want to choose your Windows Kit privacy options. You want to accept the license agreement. And where it says select the features you want to install, we want to leave checked Deployment Tools and Windows Pre-installation Environment. Anything other than that can be deselected. Prior to hitting install, please double check Deployment Tools and Windows Pre-installation Environment. Then click Install. The Windows ADK will now be downloaded and installed. Once the ADK is installed, return to the Digital Evidence Investigator installer and click on Yes, followed by Finish to complete the installation. If installing the Pro version, which includes the bundled Mobile Device Investigator, the ADF Smartphone Driver Pack installation will commence. Select Install if you would like these drivers installed. A progress bar will be displayed showing the progress of the installation. The user may be requested to confirm the installation of some drivers. A prompt will appear when the installation is complete. Clicking the Close button will end the installation process. Once the installation is complete, Digital Evidence Investigator will open and ask you for your license, which will be backed up, and then the program will start. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.